Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will show you how to set up Node.js projects for your JavaScript projects. So, Node.js is an extension you can call it or a thing that will help you actually debug your JavaScript project, how to run it and so go on in a lot of programs. For example, Visual Studio Code. You can't really run your Java project without this Node.js extension. So how you can get it? Pretty simple. Go to your browser and then search for Node.js. Here it is. And then click on the first website and download the latest one that you want. So here it is, the latest and the recommended. So let's go for the latest or let's go for the recommended one. So here it is. And now guys, let's wait until it's fully done. And here we go. Let's wait. And let me just check over here. It's gonna be somewhere in here. So it's gonna be here in the downloads. So here it is. Now, after that, all you need to do is actually go here and click on next. I accept, next. Then choose the path that you want or you like. So for example, I choose this one. Then next, next. And here automatically install the necessary tools. Note that this will also install. Okay, so we don't need that. So next, and then install and click here yes. And so that's it. Yeah, that's how you can actually set up this Node.js. And now after it's done, you can just click here to finish. And just like so, if you have any software that actually runs JavaScript in it, now you can actually start debugging your JavaScript code without facing any problems. So if you go, for example, to Visual Studio Code and you run your JavaScript in it, so let's go, for example, JSON and console. Oh my god, wait, let me just check this. Oh, I don't have JSON actually installed. So basically what you need to do is just click here on run and debug, for example, on Visual Studio Code, and then choose the node extension, and you will be running your JavaScript code easily in here. So guys, that's what it is for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.